Newfoundland. Stayed the night at the Deer Lake Hotel. Got a car, and now I'm on my way to Corner Brook, which is about 40-minute drive south of Deer Lake. In Corner Brook, I'm going to check out this 1988 Suzuki GSX-R1100, which is supposed to be in very good condition. We shall see. Once I got to Corner Brook, I went to Rugged Edge. Rugged Edge is where the bike is located. Here it is parked outside in the snow. Just been delivered. This is the GSX-R1100, and overall it looks to be in pretty good condition. And not perfect by a long shot, but initially looking at it, it looks pretty good. So we're going to check it out. I'm going to have the mechanic look at it, and we'll try to start it. We'll go from there. But all in all, a pleasant surprise. A little rough around the edges here and there, and it will need restoration, but it looks like to be a good candidate. So a sticky relay on the headlights, right?
High beam, yeah, but sticky.
It's sticky, okay.
That's fine.
And we got non-standard filters here.
Gearbox is missing.
Gearbox
And
missing.
air filter.
Yeah. Lights all work.
Yeah. Throttle cable damaged here.
So we got a damaged throttle cable.
Rubbed through here, and someone's after already taping it.
And the carbs are leaking all over the place.
And needs full rebuild kit on the carburetors.
Rebuild on the carbs, okay. Battery's toast, obviously.
Compression is all over the board.
Yeah.
Horn works. Kill button works.
So the starter works.
Starter's working. It's cranking over.
We had rust on the pipes and that too. And then this paint back here is,
It looks like something was done here, yeah. You can see the line mark here.
yeah. Okay. So maybe a repaint back there.